says that he's stretching forward, straining toward what is ahead. I want you to really, really lock in on those two words, straining toward. It is a word in the Greek that means what you would imagine it to mean. You would need the Greek language to understand this. It means to stretch oneself forward upon. To stretch oneself forward. That in this hunt, if you and I are going to run not just a race, but a chase, that whatever it is you're doing here is going to be a stretch. I promise you, and this is where I wish I could get every single person's face right in mine and say to you, I don't know what God has ahead for you, but I know this young lady, it's a stretch. It's going to be something that does not come naturally to you. And it's not something attainable just in your own talent and your own abilities. It will be beyond what you could do without him. Is anybody getting this with me? That whatever he's got you for is something that is so dramatic, that makes him so conspicuous, that it will be obvious it has to be God, because that could not possibly be you. That couldn't be you. So what you've been apprehended for on this planet is a stretch. I can tell you that. Every time you think about, well, now that's going to be a stretch, well, then that could be God. That could be God. Because whatever you have been apprehended for, whatever he arrested you for, whatever he took hold of you for and then left you here, if you're still living and breathing on planet Earth, you've still got that ahead of you that you have not yet apprehended. If you had apprehended everything, you'd be gone. You'd be gone. You'd be in his face. The fact that we're still here, there is more that he took hold of us for that we are to take hold of on our race and on our glorious chase. It's going to be a stretch. It's going to be a stretch.